Roof is one of the most expensive and important parts of our house. After all, pinipigilan nito ang pagpasok ng tubig sa ilalim ng ating bahay para maiwasan masira ang ating mga kagamitan at ang ating roofing structures. Kaya nagkakaroon ng roofing replacement. And roof replacement is the process of tearing of old roofs and replacing the new one. Pero marami pa tayo kailangang malaman dahil kung hindi maganda pa kaya baklas at paka-install ng ating bubong, maaring magkakaroon ulit tayo ng matinding problema, and in a long run, it will lead to repairs and maintenance, and that is more expensive. In this video, I'm going to share with you kung paano nga ba ang tamang pagbaklas at pag-install ng ating bubong. Hey everyone! I'm Castillo of Caspar Roofing Channel, and we're teaching installation videos and detailed guides to home and property owners all about roofing. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming channel. So, let's dive in! Tip number 1, inspect our roofing condition. Una, kailangan tingnan natin yung ating bubong kung ang original color niya ay nawawala na at yung base metal ay lumalabas at nagkakaroon na siya ng corrosion. Ito yung sinasabi na yung roofing natin ay in 20 years wala siyang maintenance. Pangalawa, check natin yung mga tech screw kung ito ay mga nakaangat na at kinakalawang. Pangatlo, kung paulit-ulit nating nire-repair yung ating bubong at hindi nawawala yung tulo, kailangan na nga ba talaga siyang palitan? Lalo na kung ang mga kisame ay may mga damage na at ang ating roofing structures. So wag na nating antayin na mas malaki pa yung madadamage ng ating bubong. Pero pag tinignan mo sa labas, okay pa, no? No? Ayan, no? Tingnan mo sa labas, okay pa. Pero pag nasa ilalim yan, nga. Ayan, no? Bulok na. Tip number 2, measure the entire roof. Measure the length and the width of our entire roof and use long metal tape para mabilis ang pagsukat at para maiwasan yung pagkakamali ng pagtutotal at para maiwasan yung tapon at siguradong eksakto ang ating materyales na darating. So that is less expensive. Tip number 3, choose the right material. There are two types of roofing materials nowadays. One is galvalume. Galvalume is content of 3 components of materials: 55% aluminum, 43.4% zinc, and 1.6% silicon over the base metal, and galvanized iron that content of galvanized and zinc coating. Use the right metal roofing materials, and there's a lot of metal roofing design nowadays. Please visit our website for more roofing ideas. Tip number 4, install the safety net under the PURLINS. Install the safety net. Ang purpose ito para maiwasan yung aksidente or damage ng ating kisame or ating kakabitan kung may babagsak tayong mga gamit. The safety net and blue sack is not only to protect our ceilings but also its occupants. Tip number 5, lifting the materials roofing panels. Lifting the roofing of materials one by one and tack our materials face by face and make sure ito ay naka-horizontal against our roofing para maiwasan ito yung pagbagsak ng ating roofing panels at para yung bigat niya ay distributed to all entire roof para hindi bumagsak ang ating roofing trusses. Dahil pag old na yung ating roofing, maaring ang ating mga trusses ay nabubulok na dahil nga ito ay napapasukan ng tubig. Kaya dapat equally distributed ang bigat ng ating roofing panels. Tip number 6, remove the old gutter and replace the new one. Remove the old gutters and replace the new one step by step, one by one, prior to install or remove our roofing panels. Please check my videos on this channel on how to install our gutter properly. Tip number 7, remove the old flashing. Remove the old flashing one by one. Ang purpose ito, para hindi mahirapan yung pag-install ng ating insulation or ang ating warm mesh if necessary. At para ma-install natin ang ating bubong ng tama at the center of our ridge roll for our wall flashing. At para maibalik agad ito temporary after the installation of insulation and new rope. So, bakit? Kasi nga, pag kinabit na natin yung ating bagong flashing, so maaring magkakaroon ng maraming gasgas. Kaya naman, huli ito ini-install pag natapos na yung installation ng ating roofing panels. Repeat the process up to the end. Tip number 8, remove the old insulation and install the new one, and make sure to check the PURLINS kung kailangan na siyang palitan. Dahil lalo-lalo na pagkahoy or metal si PURLINS. Dahil ito ay nabubulok kapag ito ay nadadaanan ng tubig papasok sa ating bahay. And make sure to check the C-PURLINS kung kailangan na natin siyang palitan or hindi pa. Kasi maaring palitan natin ang mga lumang purlina kung ito ay kahoy o kaya ito si PURLINS, dahil ito ay nabubulok sa katagalan na napapasukan ng tubig during rainy season. Pinturahan ng primer ang top ng ating si PURLINS, lagyan ng solignum ang ating old wood PURLINS. Ang purpose nito para maproteksyonan ang ating mga purlina at magtatagal ang kanyang serbisyo. Repeat the process up to the end. And tip number 9, remove the old roof and install the new one. Remove the old roof and install the new one. This is a very important in roofing replacement. Make sure to remove the old roof yung kaya lang nating palitan. Huwag nating kalasin ang ating buong bubong entirely. Kasi pag nagkaroon ng ulan, maaring mabasa ang loob ng ating bahay at masira ang ating mga kagamitan. So kailangan baklasin lang natin, ang tama lang natin palitan the whole day. Also, this is to protect not only our house but also to protect our occupants. Pero ang pinakasekreto ay mas maganda mag-overlap tayo ng isang bagong roofing doon sa pinalitan nating bubong para hindi pumasok yung tubig sa loob ng ating bahay. That is good idea. Tip number 10, install all the flashing. After installing of new roof, kailangan ibalik na natin yung ating mga flashing, yung ridge roll, wall flashing, or ridge flashing, or any flashing design. Please check on our website the different types of our flashing and make sure ito ay naka-sealed properly. Kailangan bago natin overlap yung mga bago nating flashing, kailangan meron tayong Caspar rubber sealant para pag dilap natin sa ilalim or sinandwich natin, kahit anong pasok ng water dyan sa side na yan, hindi papasok ang tubig sa loob ng ating bahay. At malinis siya tingnan. Compared to traditional installation na yung silicone sealant ay ilap muna yung flashing and then silicone sealant sa ibabaw, hindi natin sigurado kung nalagyan siya ng silicone sealant entirely of the connection or the lapping of our flashing. And also use silicone tape. Only Caspar use that. Bakit kailangan naka-sandwich yung sealant? Dahil in the long run, nagkakaroon ng movement ang ating bubong during typhoon. So pag malakas ang hangin na dulot ng bagyo, nagkakaroon ng movement ang ating mga roofing panels at saka ating mga flashing. So kailangan ang ating Caspar rubber sealant ay nakapalaman talaga siya sa mga lapping ng ating flashing. Oops! Tika muna, may nakalimutan pa tayo. Kailangan ang mga binaklas ng ating bubong everyday, kailangan ibaba natin ito one by one. Ang purpose nito ay para hindi liparin. So kailangan ibaba natin ang ating mga kinalas na old roofing sa baba and stock in properly para maiwasan yung dami ng gasgas sa ating new roofing panels installed. Recap lang tayo. Number 1, inspect the entire roof. And number 2, measure the entire roofing para maiwasan ang kapusin ang ating materyales or dumami ang sobra nito. And tip number 3, choose the right materials. There are 2 types of materials, galvanum and galvanized iron. But as a roofing professional, I would recommend galvanum materials. Tip number 4, install the safety net or blue sack. Tip number 5, lifting the roofing materials. And don't forget to stack against the slope of our roofing and to distribute the weight entirely of our roof. And number 6, remove the old gutter and install the new one. Number 7, remove the old flashing. And number 8, remove the old insulation and install the new one. And number 9, remove the old roofing and install the new one. And number 10, install the old flashing. So that's the end of my video, and I hope marami kayong natutunan because we don't want to spend more money on replacing of our roof. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming channel all about roofing. Please comment below kung meron kayong katanungan at sisikapin namin sasagutin with my technical team. And please don't forget to visit www.caspar.com.ph or visit our Facebook page, Caspar Steel Roofing Incorporated, for more roofing ideas. And remember, when it comes to your safety, there's no need to look anywhere but the best. Always look professional roofing contractor or skilled roofing professional. Safety is a way of life. See you next week.